Everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Kaspa, really taking a look at what's happening with the price of Kas, and of course what we could be expecting, going further into Sunday morning, and of course starting off on a brand new week. If we're looking across the board, you're still seeing some coins that are up quite a bit, holding on to the momentum, and some that are seeing a retracement, and Kaspa is of course one of them. But the year of 2025 has started off on a really positive note. We did see a lot of green across the board, especially if you're looking at it right here. Kaspa is also one of the coins that's up right now as well, if you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, which we'll take. But let's take a closer look and really see what's happening and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So the price of Kaspa is currently sitting at 12.6 cents, down 2.1% in USD, as well as 2.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $3.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $57.7 million. But now if you're really taking a look at the dominance index, you really want to be focusing a lot closer to the dominance index, and it has been doing exactly what we want the dominance to do, which is of course go down, while Bitcoin does the complete opposite, which is of course going up. And that's exactly what we're looking at happening for Bitcoin as well. So December 30th, we obviously saw the wick below the 38.2, but Bitcoin has been going up ever since. And obviously we did come up to that $99,000 almost yesterday, which of course came in as a major resistance, of course, because pretty much if we clear out of this resistance, $100,000 will be reclaimed once again for Bitcoin, which would mark it the first time for the year of 2025. So Bitcoin is showing significant amount of strength right now, and I do believe based off of what Bitcoin is doing even over the weekends. Remember, on the weekends we do tend to see CME futures close, so more manipulation than usual. But Bitcoin showing significant strength, which is giving me a high hope that we will see a great time ahead for the market in this upcoming week ahead of us. So now that we have that out of the way, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa's price. It's no secret at this point that Kaspa did have a massive free fall, and really was impacted quite a bit with the Bitcoin volatility that we did see late December. So if you want to put this into perspective, just a quick reminder, we did see Kaspa drop about 42% from December 10th high, which was of course was on the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So a sharp drop, of course, to say the least. And now you are seeing, of course, a little bit of a bounce, which of course is nice to see. But what's the nicest thing right now, if you are a Kaspa holder, is the fact that we did still not retest the November 4th low, which was at 10 cents. That's what you want to be really excited about right now. But if you somehow got in around this range, at the 11.1 cents mark, you did see Kaspa go up about 20%, which is of course nice to see. But yet again, you're noticing how hard it is for the price of Kaspa to get back above this key resistance. And if you follow my channel on a day-to-day basis, this is something that I emphasize on my channel quite a bit. And you're still having Kaspa finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key resistance, which of course is something that we want to be focusing quite strongly on. Because if this resistance is able to break out, I really do believe Kaspa could show some strength, start possibly pushing back into the 78.6. But so far so good, especially if you look at it from an hourly perspective. You did see the price coming very close to that range, but of course we kind of got stopped out around this 13.9 cents mark, which of course is a major resistance. As you can see, there's a lot of resistance around that range. So it's not a surprise that we did see kind of a little bit of a rejection at that range. But again, so far so good. It is reacting to the market momentum. Yes, it's not seeing double-digit gains right now, which of course tells you about how much retail interest there really is for Kaspa, which isn't a lot. But it is reacting to the market momentum as it should, as should be expected. But you want to see this key resistance breaking out. If it's able to do that, I do believe the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level could be a retest for us quite fast, in my opinion. Because if you look at it from the November perspective, once we cracked past this key resistance, we went up to that 16.2 cents quite fast. So I have my eyes on this key resistance. We'll keep you guys covered, of course, but let me know down below what you guys think about Kaspa. Where do you see the price of Kaspa ending this month at? I still can't believe, January is flying by. We're approaching January 5th, which of course is crazy to think about. And I think, the year of 2025 is going to, pass by literally in a snap. So, enjoy the moment one step at a time, spend it with the loved ones. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX and peace out.